All right, so I have some sample questions for Chapter 12 that you'll see in your Math Excel assignment that I would like to go through with you, just so you're a little more familiar when you do the questions on your own. So I have four sample questions here. Number one, a study found that out of every 1,000 babies born in country A, five have some sort of major birth defect. How would you assign random numbers to conduct a simulation based on this statistic? So the key is five out of every 1,000. So five out of every 1,000. That implies three-digit numbers. So that takes out A and B. So we know it's got to be C or D. The question is, look here. Notice we have triple zero to five or triple zero to four. The question is, which one of those is five out of every 1,000? And the answer in this case is D. Why is it D? Because triple zero counts as one of the five. So triple zero, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's five numbers. Triple zero to five, choice C, would be six out of every 1,000, and that is not true. So the answer in this case is D. Okay. Elementary school teacher with 25 students plans to have each of them make a poster about two different states. The teacher first numbers the states in alphabetical order from 1 to 50, two-digit numbers, then uses a random a random number table to decide which state each kids get. Which two state numbers does the first student get? So we're going to go two digits at a time. So the first two digits are 14. Okay, that works. Then we have 67. That's too high. There's only 50 states. And then the next two digits are 11, 11. That works. So the first student gets 14 and 11. Okay. If we continue, next one is 45. Next two digits are 45. That works. Okay. Next two digits are 11. That would normally work, but we've already used 11. So we got to skip that. Next two digits are 37. That one works. 45 and 37. Same concept as the states one, but now we're doing students in an English class. There's 20 students, so there's 20 students here, so we're going to go two digits at a time. So our first two digits are 14. So 14 is Gifford. Okay, so Gifford is the first student, which means B and D are out. Okay, then we have 99. That's too high. Then we have 30, 30. That's too high. Then we have 07, which is Lobkowski. Let's see, A and C, that one's still in. Those are both still in. Then we have 11, which is Burbank. So Burbank is the third one. So the only one where that works is A. Okay. Number 4, an amusement park has opened a new roller coaster. It is so popular that people are waiting up for up to 3 hours for a 2-minute ride. Concerned about how people who might be willing to wait in line for 3 hours feel about this, they survey every person in line for the roller coaster. Go every person in line for the roller coaster. That's not random. I would consider that a convenience sample because you're just talking to the people that are in line. It's more convenient to do that. Is this sample likely to be representative of the people in line for the roller coaster? I would say yes, as long as you're checking everyone in line for the roller coaster. So that is it. That is it for your sample questions for chapter 12.